Regan Baker Design has created a kitchen that beautifully combines rustic and sleek elements, resulting in a harmonious and visually captivating space. The use of metal appliances, reclaimed oak cabinetry, and wood tones captures the essence of industrial charm. The addition of soothing blue base cabinets and intriguing backsplash tile adds layers of visual interest and a tranquil oasis within the design. Step into this kitchen and immerse yourself in the artful fusion of rustic elegance and sleek sophistication. In this Upper West Side kitchen, Gideon Mendelsohn has crafted a space that embodies timeless elegance. Through the use of light blue tones carried throughout the cabinetry, light fixtures, and seating, a tranquil atmosphere is created. The soft blue-gray cabinets, vintage blue glass pendants, and harmonious color palette evoke a sense of calm and sophistication. With its clean and fresh ambience, this kitchen stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity and classic design. Suzanne Reinstein and Christopher Manson-Hing have created an open-concept kitchen in Santa Barbara that seamlessly blends function and style. The expansive floating range hood commands attention, while the cream-colored cabinets and brown and white countertops create a cohesive and timeless environment. The skylight brings an abundant natural light, illuminating the space and enhancing its inherent beauty. Step into this captivating kitchen and immerse yourself in the perfect fusion of architectural craftsmanship and visual elegance. Shelton, Mindel and Associates have elevated the kitchen of a classic Hamptons country house to new heights of timeless elegance. The Bolthop cabinetry showcases impeccable craftsmanship, while the Viking range and hood offer professional-grade performance and sleek design. The minimalist white waterworks tile backsplash serves as a clean and pristine canvas, allowing the kitchen's refined elements to take center stage. Step into this transformed space and embrace the beauty of simplicity, where every detail has been carefully curated to create a truly timeless and effortlessly elegant kitchen. Douglas Friedman's modern kitchen in Marfa, Texas, is a testament to the power of bold design choices. The striking black pendant lights and dark cabinetry serve as standout elements, creating a dramatic and contemporary ambience. Illuminated by bright natural light, the space achieves a harmonious balance between boldness and brightness. Step into this modern culinary haven and immerse yourself in a captivating aesthetic that embraces the beauty of darkness and light. Designed by Hub of the House Studio, this Burbank kitchen seamlessly blends functionality with playful sophistication. From the captivating abstract tile flooring to the skillful use of warm and cool colors, every element has been carefully chosen to create a vibrant and inviting atmosphere. The bold terrazzo floor tile and minimalist elegance of the concrete countertops serve as statements of character, reflecting the homeowner's desire for a strong design presence. Step into this open and spacious kitchen and immerse yourself in the dynamic charm of a space that effortlessly balances functionality and style. Designed by Vincenzo de Coziest, this dark and moody kitchen is a testament to avant-garde elegance. With its black-on-black elements, cream-colored accents, and artistic vision, this space exudes a daring sophistication that aligns perfectly with the home of fashion designer Pierre Hardy. From the bold simplicity of the black elements to the contrasting cream-colored walls and ceilings, every detail contributes to the overall aesthetic. Step into this dreamlike environment and experience the allure of a kitchen that pushes boundaries and embraces the extraordinary. Designed by Laura Santos, this New York kitchen embodies a harmonious blend of serenity and elegance. Bathed in natural light and featuring custom wooden cabinets, this space exudes both functionality and sleekness. With multiple dining options and an adjoining patio surrounded by lush landscaping, the kitchen offers versatile comfort and an opportunity to connect with the outdoors. Whether enjoying a meal indoors or embracing the tranquility of the patio, this kitchen serves as a serene retreat within the bustling city. Michael S. Smith's masterful design transforms the Chicago kitchen into a haven of timeless elegance. The artistic mosaic wall tiles by M. Sachs Luxurious leather-clad stools from York Street Studio and glimmering ceiling captivate with their striking textures and visual appeal. Set against an elegant neutral palette, every element in this kitchen speaks to Smith's dedication to creating sophisticated spaces. From the moment you enter, you are enveloped in a sense of refined beauty and artistic refinement. The collaborative efforts of Boland, Sawinski, Jackson, and Shelton, Mindel and Associates, have resulted in a truly remarkable dining room kitchen area within this Aspen home. From the timeless elegance of Claudia Moreira Sal's Espaço furniture, to the warmth and craftsmanship of the Douglas fir cabinets, every detail has been carefully considered. The integration of streamlined storage options ensures a practical and organized space without compromising on style. Step into this sophisticated yet functional kitchen and embrace the seamless marriage of aesthetic beauty and practicality.